The future of air combat is here. Missiles are faster, radars are jammed, and AI is thinking quicker than any human. In future wars, whoever rules the sky wins the fight. That's why the US military is developing the F-47, a jet built for next-level dominance. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. AI co-pilot. The F-47 isn't just another stealth jet. It's built to think faster, fight smarter, and move better than anything else in the sky. Unlike older fighter jets that depend only on a human pilot, this one will have an AI co-pilot that reacts much quicker than any person. But this AI isn't just a helper, it's a battle partner. It can spot threats, track enemy jets, and make split-second decisions in combat. Imagine an AI that knows what the enemy will do before they even do it. That's the power of the F-47. Tests have already shown that AI-controlled jets beat human pilots in dogfights. By using infrared cameras, the AI can detect tiny movements in an enemy's wings or tail and instantly figure out their next move. While a human takes seconds to react, AI does it in microseconds. The result? A nearly unstoppable fighter in the sky. Stealth like never before. In today's world, stealth isn't just about avoiding radar. Enemies now use infrared sensors, sound detectors, and electronic surveillance to track aircraft. The F-47 is designed to defeat all of them. It will feature multispectral stealth, meaning it won't just be invisible to radar, it will also be hard to detect through infrared heat signatures and even acoustic tracking. Some reports even suggest that the F-47 could have active camouflage technology, meaning it might be able to change its appearance to blend into the sky, just like a chameleon. If true, this would make the F-47 almost impossible to see or detect until it's too late. Hypersonic and laser weapons. Speed is key in aerial combat, and the F-47 is expected to carry hypersonic missiles that travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5, fast enough to strike enemies before they even realize they're under attack. But that's not all. The F-47 is also anticipated to feature laser weapons that can take out missiles, drones, and even enemy aircraft in the blink of an eye. This makes it one of the most advanced and deadly fighter jets ever created. AI drones and sensor fusion. The F-47 won't fight alone. It will command a fleet of AI-powered drones. These smart drones will distract radars, spy on enemies, launch deadly strikes, and jam enemy signals. Instead of one jet, the F-47 will lead an AI-driven air force, changing air combat forever. With sensor fusion, the F-47 will gather data from radars, satellites, and other jets to create a real-time battlefield map. This combat cloud gives pilots instant updates on every enemy move, making them nearly unstoppable in the sky. Why Boeing, not Lockheed? Now, here's a big question. Why is Boeing leading the F-47 project instead of Lockheed Martin? After all, Lockheed created the legendary F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. The answer? The Pentagon wanted a fresh approach. While Lockheed made two of the most advanced jets in history, the F-35 program faced cost overruns and delays. The US military wanted something different for the next-generation fighter. Boeing has been working on AI-powered drones and autonomous combat systems long before the NGAD program even started. They've developed classified projects like the X-45 and X-47B unmanned combat aircraft that already use many of the next-gen technologies that will be in the F-47. With Boeing leading the way, the F-47 is set to redefine air dominance. The F-47 is more than just a fighter jet. It's a game-changer in modern warfare. With AI-driven combat, hypersonic missiles, laser weapons, next-level stealth and drone fleets, it will control the skies like no aircraft before it. But what do you think? Will AI-powered jets replace human pilots completely? Or will there always be a need for human instinct in air combat? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge military tech updates.